Hi guys, now I'm going to show you how to get this rounded taskbar with glass effect. Let's dive in. Now first of all, you want to remove any icon you don't need from your taskbar. Okay, we're going to keep it tidy. Go onto your taskbar, go onto taskbar settings. Then right here on the search, go onto search box, expand this. Now click on hide. After doing that, we can see that this taskbar is looking much better. Okay, now I'm going to X on this. Now we're going to be using one application for the setup. Head onto your browser. We're going to download and install Windhawk. Okay, proceed to this download icon and click on it. Once that's done, I'm going to run the setup. Click on OK. Standard installation. Next. Select yes. Next. Install it. Click on finish. So this is the home page of the Windhawk app. Now we're going to proceed to explore. Now we have many options here. The first one we're going to do is the taskbar height and icon size. Click on details. Now here you want to click on install. Ignore this harmless warning. Accept risk and install it. Once that is installed, we're going to navigate to advanced. Click on advanced. Under mode settings, we're going to highlight on this content and delete it. We're just going to leave it this way. I'm going to provide this text document along with the wallpaper in the description. Okay, open up this text file. Ctrl A to highlight on this code. I'm going to copy it, minimize this, paste the code right here. Click on save. If you notice, there is a difference in the taskbar height and icon size. So that's it about this one. I'm going to go to the next one, click on explore. And now this time we're going to select Windows 11 taskbar styler. Click on details. Select install, proceed to install it. Once you're done with the installation, you want to go into settings. Right here on that theme, you're going to expand this. Now scroll down to the bottom right here and select window glass. Click on that. Click on save settings. Beautiful. Now if you look at the bottom right here, let me minimize this. Now if you launch your start menu, you can see that this contradicts with what we have going on down here. That is about to change. Now I'm going to show you how to add blur effect to the start menu. I'm going to do the same to the notification sender as well. Head on back to Windhawk, click on explore, and this time we're going to select Windows 11 start menu styler. Click on details. Select install, proceed to install it, wait for it. Once that is done, go ahead to settings. Now under theme, we're going to expand it and we're going to select translucent start menu. Click on that. Then select save settings. Now I'm going to minimize this. Now if you click on this Windows icon right here, now we have this blur effect on the start menu and we have this glass effect on the taskbar. We're not going to leave this notification sender out of it. We're going to head on back to Windhawk, proceed to explore. And this time we're going to select Windows 11 notification sender styler. Click on details. Select install, go ahead and install it, wait for it. After installing that, go ahead to settings. Again, we'll go on to the theme, expand this, and this time we're going to select translucent shell. Click on that, select save settings. Now if you minimize this, if you click on this icon right here, you can see that we have this blur effect on the notification center. Now if you want to get rid of this, all you have to do is to uninstall the Windhawk app just the way you uninstall every other app. And that's going to be all for now. Do well to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification so you get notified when I post cool contents like this. Have a nice day guys. Peace out.